Hey friends, if you wish to know the best ways to use OneDrive sharing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. For example, you have a Word, Excel or PowerPoint document or any other relevant document. First of all, there's a switch at the top left corner. Turn the switch off to make sure that sharing is enabled with OneDrive. This way the document will be uploaded to OneDrive. It needs a while. Then click on the share button at the top right corner. You have the share button anyway, but now the share button has this feature for collaboration. So click on share and enter the email ID of the person with whom you wish to share the document. Okay, it needs a while to load, which is okay. Okay. Or you can, for the first thing is that you can obviously share the email address of the person, or you can send it through Outlook, or you can simply copy the link, this link, and then paste it and share it with anyone with whom you wish to share the document. Okay. Now another thing is, let's say I wish to share this document, so right click on it and then you can select share, and you can if it's not about collaboration, if it's simply about sharing, and then you can share it from this option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.